Hi, I'm Chip and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be talking about the EZClean Power Cleaners. These are incredibly versatile tools for a number of different applications. Now you might be wondering, okay, what's the difference between a power cleaner and a pressure washer, and why would I use one over the other? Well, you might notice that the EZClean Power Cleaner is much smaller in size. This makes it really convenient for tight spots. Maybe you're cleaning some outdoor furniture, you're trying to get up into a tight hole, maybe you're cleaning a vehicle. These are the perfect application for that. Now, this unit here is the 18-volt ONE+ system, and this is the HP, which has a little bit more pressure, which we'll cover in just a moment. Now this unit here has all kinds of features. It's got 3 nozzles on the front. It's got the turbo, which has that extra power for blasting off debris. It's got the 15-degree sweep and the rinse all in one nozzle. Very, very convenient. Just at the push of a button, we have pressure. Now another thing that's different about this from a pressure washer is you don't necessarily have to have a consistent pressurized water source like a pressure washer needs. You notice this inlet in the bottom can connect to a garden hose. It can also connect to a bottle adapter so you can take water with you, or it even comes with a 20-foot siphon hose that you can drop into any fresh water source for an unending supply. Now the ONE+ HP actually has additional benefit of having 600 PSI. This is just a little bit more powerful for those tough jobs. I really love the simplicity of this tool and the fact that it has this water-resistant battery enclosure. What's great about it is you can use all your other 18-volt ONE+ batteries right in this same tool, but do it in a wet environment. Now, this entire accessory line is extensive. We're going to start with the foam blaster. This is a great little unit that you can fill with detergent or cleaner. I love to foam over my ATVs, my outdoor patio furniture to loosen that grit before I blast it off. We also have our chemical nozzles in low, medium, and high flow according to what it is that you need to spray. All right, next up we have got our bottle adapter. This adapter screws on the top of a plastic bottle, which allows you to take that remote water source with you wherever you go. All right, I love the squeegee. This is the perfect window cleaning tool. Instead of having multiple things floating around and losing and having to pick them up and put them down, the squeegee fits on the front of the power cleaner. It allows you to clean and squeegee in one motion. Really great. All right, finally, we've got the wash brush. This one was custom made specifically for things like automotive wheels with tight areas that need a little bit more aggressive cleaning. Of course, you can use this tool for a number of applications. Also, be on the lookout for tons of new accessories coming down the pipe really soon. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, product announcements, DIY projects, and more. Make sure to comment and let us know exactly what you want to hear about next. We'll see you next episode.